With your own template, you'll be able to create and edit graphics for your Sublimation mugs using all of the awesome graphic elements, designs, and fonts in Canva. Hey everyone, it's Jared from Heat Press Nation, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own Sublimation mug template in Canva. From the homepage, click on Create a Design. Under Start Creating from your media, go to Custom Size. For this tutorial, we'll be making an 11-ounce mug with full top and bottom bleed, so our dimensions are going to be 8 1/4 by 4 inches. Now go to File, View Settings, and Add Guides. Guides help us to ensure everything is centered and aligned properly. Guides also help us to make sure important elements don't get cut off when pressed onto the mug. For an 11-ounce mug, use these settings. Columns 2, gap 5.02 inches, margin 0. Rows 2, gap 3.7 inches, margin 0. Then click Add Guides. The vertical guides are going to mark the perfect center of each side of the mug. The horizontal guides mark where your design will start to get cut off as it bleeds off the edge of the mug. You don't want any text, logos, faces, or other important elements past the outside edges of these guides. We have one more guide to add, the horizontal center line. Click on the top horizontal ruler and drag a guide down to the middle of your design. It should snap in place at the center, which is the 2-inch mark. This guide will make sure everything is centered vertically on your mug. With all these guides added, your template is complete. If you haven't yet done so, rename your design, then save it. When you're ready to design, make a copy of the master template file and name it specific to the job or artwork. Now you can create to your heart's content. Add a background, graphic elements, and customization to make your sublimation as unique as you are. A few general tips for new creators: if you're adding a photo or logo to the face of either side of the mug, center it right on the crosshairs where the guides intersect. I like to keep these graphics about 2.8 inches wide or thinner. That helps mitigate the distortion from the image wrapping around the curve of the mug. If you're doing a simple mug where it's just a logo on the front and back, draw a box the full size of your template and add a thin stroke to it. This box is going to serve as your trim line when it's printed, and be sure to cut inside the box as close and evenly as possible. You'll have a much easier time positioning your transfer on the mug after doing this. To save your design, go to Share, Download, change your file type to PNG and adjust the size scaling to 1.237, then check Save Download Settings. This is because Canva does not default to 300 dpi, which is the standard resolution for print files. For this reason, you'll need to scale up every design by 1.237. It's also a good practice to ensure the print dimensions match your template dimensions when you're sending your file through Sawgrass PrintMate or your preferred print management software. Due to this resolution discrepancy, we don't recommend sending files to print directly from Canva. Also, if you're using the free version of Canva, you won't have this upscale option and you will need to resize your graphic in Sawgrass PrintMate. And that's it. You now have everything you need to make your own template and create your own designs for 11-ounce Sublimation coffee mugs using Canva. To see how to prepare and press your Sublimation mug, check out the tutorial linked in the description. And if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful heat transfer content. For all of your Sublimation equipment and supplies, be sure to visit us at heatpressnation.com.